within a fast-changing today and future. Korea Marine Equipment Research Institute hopes and desires for a better tomorrow. To break through the dark tunnel of recession in the shipbuilding and marine industries, KOMERI marches towards the ocean of a bright future. KOMERI is a specialized production technology research institute established under Article 42 of the Industrial Technology Innovation Promotion Act and governed by the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Energy. Since its establishment in 2001, it was selected as the Materials and Components Reliability Evaluation Agency, leading to increased R&D capacity of marine equipment through attraction of industrial technology-based business. KOMERI, which is at the center of technological innovation through the establishment of an international quality management system, obtained a variety of internationally recognized laboratories, such as the USCG in 2015 as the first institute in Asia, nomination as the most outstanding accreditation testing institute by COLAS in 2016, and other accreditations, and KOMERI does its best to push forward the shipbuilding and marine industries. As the leader of the future shipbuilding and marine industries, KOMERI is leading the technologies for environmental friendly and maritime autonomous surface ship, as well as supporting the growth of industries with the core values of the Happy Research Institute through communication and harmonization. We are constantly challenging ourselves with ideas, technologies, and know-hows for a better tomorrow in shipbuilding and marine industries. Consisting of 5 departments and 7 headquarters, KOMERI is moving forward as a professional research institute, leading the future shipbuilding and marine industries. The 5 departments are composed of the Planning and Coordination Department, responsible for establishing and controlling various policies and also managing test and certification. The Management Strategy Department, responsible for the overall operation of the institute. The Technology Strategy Department, responsible for core capacity analysis and plans for the direction of technological research. The Audit Department, responsible for the audit and improvement in ethical culture. Business Cooperation Department, responsible for international standardization and business support. The Busan R&D headquarters is responsible for the testing and certification of new and renewable energy and environmental facilities, focusing on integrated system engineering research. The Busan Noksan headquarters is in charge of fire, flame retardant materials, acoustics, electrical equipment, electromagnetic conformity, and electrical safety testing certification in the field of electrical and electronic safety and environmental technology. The Busan NEOM headquarters is responsible for environment, heat perfusion, energy efficiency, fire, vibration, shock, acoustic test certification, focusing on environmental friendly equipment and LNG technologies. The Ulsan headquarters is responsible for the study of explosion-proof, IP, rotating machinery, electrical equipment, environment, non-destructive testing, software functional safety, flame protection, and piping fitting testing certification. The Gyeongnam headquarters is engaged in ship's ballast water treatment system, drinking water sterilization system, manure and wastewater treatment system, materials and components related dynamics and performance analysis and certification testing. The Jeonnam headquarters is responsible for the test certification of key, land and sea area safety and shipboard, atmosphere and underwater environment, focusing on the technology research of small-sized vessels and coastal equipment and materials. The Jeonbuk headquarters is responsible for marine engine and auxiliary equipment, exhaust gas and effluent purification device, fire safety, materials and components dynamics and weldability performance evaluation, focusing on the technology research of small to medium-sized vessels and equipment materials of special vessels. KOMERI is composed of various researchers who have gathered together to grow their dreams and continues today to imagine and research shipbuilding and marine industries. The dream of Korean shipbuilding and marine industries, KOMERI is opening it. To create values in the Korean shipbuilding and marine industries, KOMERI is rapidly responding to the enforcement of regulations in polar codes, air pollution, and BWM code, as well as responding to developments of conventions in underwater noise, greenhouse gas, and IMO maritime autonomous surface ship. In order to meet this, we carry out R&D and testing and certification services for technological innovation in shipbuilding, marine and related materials and components industries. We have established organic cooperation system with related organizations to support advanced technology development of companies related to shipbuilding and marine industries. Additionally, we carry out various tests and certifications through recognized laboratories of Korea Laboratory Accreditation Scheme, Korea Accreditation System, and third-party designated testing institutions. In order to respond quickly to technical barriers to trade with developed nations around the world, KOMERI is at the forefront leading the open sea, preparing for tomorrow. Happy Research Institute through communication and harmonization, environmental-friendly technology, and maritime autonomous surface ship. A new tomorrow for the global shipbuilding and marine industries. KOMERI will make it.